Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to use the Admin Dashboard. The Admin Dashboard gives you a complete overview of all transactions, hotel data, and key business details in one place. Here, you can view different types of graphs and pie charts that help you analyze performance, generate revenue insights, and support business growth. By selecting any section on the dashboard, you can view detailed information such as total billing generated till date, total number of bookings, occupancy rate, average revenue rate, cancellation rate for your property, and lead time for bookings. The dashboard also provides a booking overview where you can see how many bookings are scheduled for today and how many guests are currently staying at the hotel. You will also find multiple time-based filters such as last year, this year, last quarter, last 6 months, and many more. These switches allow you to view and compare data across different time periods ranging from 1 month to 2 years. The front desk section of housekeeping management allows you to easily manage check-ins and check-outs. By clicking on all hotels, you can select any room and confirm a checkout directly from the dashboard. You can also perform check-ins through the Admin Dashboard. Under the Housekeeping section, if any room is marked as dirty, you will receive a flag notification. From here, you can mark the room for cleaning. You can also view how many rooms are currently occupied and how many rooms are ready for guests. Overall, the Admin Dashboard helps you manage data insights, operational control, and business performance, allowing you to grow your business in a more customized and efficient way.